Alright, imagine this. Your sunglasses don't just block the sun. They read your messages, guide you through the city, and even chat with you. That's exactly where Ray-Ban and Meta are headed with their next-gen smart glasses. Yep, these aren't just a fashion statement anymore. They're basically your smartphone, but cooler and strapped to your face. For the longest time, Meta's smart glasses have been in a league of their own. The current Ray-Ban Meta, 2nd gen, already packs cameras, speakers, and trackers into that iconic Ray-Ban style. Plus, Meta's Hey Meta AI feature lets you ask, "What am I looking at?" and get instant answers. Super handy, right? But now, the competition's heating up. Google and Samsung are cooking up their Android XR series, and Meta's ready to one-up them. Word is, the new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are dropping in 2025, and they're bringing displays. Not just any displays, they're smart and subtle. Imagine getting notifications, navigation directions, or even important signs lighting up on your glasses while everything else stays transparent. You can still walk, run, or grab your coffee without walking into a pole. Sure, the first version of this tech might start small, simple text and images, but the possibilities? Endless. Think phone and smartwatch notifications, fitness tracking, navigation prompts, you name it. It's like wearable tech on steroids, but it still looks like your favorite pair of shades. Meanwhile, Meta's also working on something even crazier, the Orion AR glasses. They showed off a prototype this year, complete with holographic displays and advanced AI. It's not for sale just yet, but Meta's aiming to bring it to us in the next few years. It's clear Meta's not playing around. With the next-gen Ray-Ban Meta glasses and the Orion project in the works, they're aiming to dominate the future of wearable tech. Stylish, functional, and way smarter than your average shades. It's all happening. So, what do you think? Ready to swap your sunnies for some next-level smart glasses? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Peace out.